On this episode, we're at Applegate Lake, located in Southern Oregon. We're gonna go trout fishing with Shannon and Quentin, my sister and her boyfriend. First thing we notice when we get there is this car that these people wrecked right into the rocks, which you can't really see because Haley was trying to be discreet, but it was some drunk teenagers, and you might be able to see a picture of it. It's pretty crazy.
Ready to go?
You got the keys, right?
And boom, snapshot. There it is. They knocked it into a boulder and got stuck.
Huh? I got it's on.
I know. So, I don't know how they did end up getting that car out of there, but they're like teenagers.
Somebody else get stuck now?
I don't know.
These people are fucking fools.
Anyways, they were like teenagers, you know, had a bunch of beers, obviously. The first thing that comes out is a case of beer. And she just like, her car slides, boom, right over a boulder, dents the front bumper, and then backs up into another boulder. And then she ended up getting it out, but it was not pretty. Hey, but watch out for cars.
Rogue.
Careful, Abel.
As you guys are gonna find out, I had to cut out a lot of audio because it was super windy there. There's River playing with the fishing pole. So we kind of got set up at the lake. It was super windy and set up some power bait. We used chartreuse, casted it out, and for a little while didn't really have too much action other than the poles blowing sideways. Quentin and Shannon decided like, hey, let's fire up the grill, cook some hot dogs. But eventually some fish were caught. Ended up getting a total of 5 fish and feeding 1 to a bald eagle. So ended up with 4 to take home. Basically, you're gonna want to use a weight, a little treble hook, size 16, and about 2 feet a leader, which is the distance between that weight and the hook. And the way you separate that distance is by using what's called a swivel. Oregon is over 50% public land, so there's plenty of lakes and public places to go, take your family, and enjoy the outdoors. You can catch trout, you can catch crappie, bass, you can go hunting, you can go mushroom searching, you can go exploring for rocks, geocaching. Oregon's full of all kinds of public and outdoor activities, and right now with the quarantine, there's not a better time to get out there and just you know, enjoy a little bit of nature and just kind of find some inner peace, because there's a lot of noise out there and most of it's just distracting you from enjoying life. So for me and my family, we find it pretty awesome to get out in the outdoors and just soak it all in, reset for the next week.
Haley just hooked up. Good job, not a bad one. You got one on the Powerbait. Finally, somebody's doing something with their lives.
I felt a little boom, and I was like, yes! So I went for it.
All right.
Got him.
Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust to Haley.
Rogue. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come on, Rogue. Thanks for your help, bud. You did great.
Yeah. Good effort.
Rogue.
Shannon. You got this. You don't have to go that far out. I just let it sit there. And I got it. Sorry.
What color Powerbait?
Green.
Chartreuse?
Just Berkley's original scent Powerbait. I can't reach him. It's so long.
Good job, babe.
Here's Shan. I can't reach him.
Just hold it up, man.
Rub now.
Abel, no.
Good job.
That's cool.
Anyways, Applegate Lake's really pretty. I finally hooked into one after getting outfished by the girls. Most of these trout are small little stalkers, but there's some also big ones in here too.
Check that out.
Beautiful fish.
Oh yeah, little
Wow.
stocked here by the state probably.
Yep.
Applegate's cool though because you don't know for sure you're gonna catch a small one. You can get some big ones in here.
Yep.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You gotta be careful. If you grip them too tight, they'll just like fight away. All right, cool. Well, that
Congrats,
makes 4
man.
fish. One more and we're to a limit, so I think that'd be a good time to call it. All right. Well, now that it's nice, we're getting ready to leave. So, caught like 4 or 5 trout, mostly on Haley's end, but it was a good day.
Yeah, it was fun.
Four of them. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Tune in.
Fishies.
Tune in to the next one. Good day.
Yay.
It really means the world to us that you take the time out of your day to watch our videos. I hope you keep coming back. We really want to keep showing you good content. Thank you so much. Also, stay tuned because my Modern Survival Part 2 is ready to come out. I've just got to edit the video. Here's a clip to that.
Online. All you do is you suck water through them, they filter it out and make it safe to drink. We're here at Applegate Lake in Southern Oregon, and we're gonna try the lake water.
All right, well that just about does it. Stay safe, everybody. Be grateful for what we do have here in America. We're pretty lucky compared to a lot of other places. And I always like to leave you with a quote. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Seneca. I believe that's a really old quote, but I think it's a really good one. You know, it's just enjoy the moment.
All right, guys, thanks for watching another episode of The Morgan's World. Obviously, hopefully Haley will start her channel called Haley's World, because it's more than just me here anymore. But we will see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful lake. Thank you, Quentin and Shannon, for taking us out.
Fun.
Or inviting us out, I guess.
Yeah.
And we did not kill the minivan yet, so continue on, because I'm sure at some point you will see that happen.